Today's video is about the Oraimo Rock True wireless earbuds, and these are the latest true wireless earbuds coming from Oraimo Smart Accessories, and they come with some features that we are going to check out, but this video is just for the unboxing only. So I'll be sharing with you what's inside the box, and let's just compare with other ones that we have here. First thing we are going to look at is the pack. As you can see, this guy comes in a very small pack, and this pack is very small compared to the Oraimo FreePods that is big, and the Oraimo FreePods 3 that you can see here. This guy is very small. I don't know why Oraimo is cutting back on the pack. I think they are trying to economize some things here. Alright, so let's hope it doesn't affect the product itself. Right below it there is Oraimo Smart Accessories, and by the side we can see powerful bass, super long Playtime, IPX5 waterproof rating, 2 mic noise reduction in call, and that is pretty much it there. And noise and nothing here, just Oraimo Smart Accessories, and here keep exploring, sold in 50 countries. And at the back you find the specifications, which is the Bluetooth version, range of 15 meters, which I'm going to test in my review video, and playtime, which is 8 hours on a single charge, and the case provide additional 16 hours. And so let's quickly open this guy and see what's inside. Nothing in the box, just the back. Wow. So first thing we are greeted is the manual. As you can see, it comes with a pretty long manual which you can go through when you are less busy. Let's just see what's inside. All right, a Type-C charging cable, and we have one extra pair of hair tips. I think this is the big one. And lastly, the product itself. Wow, this looks beautiful, unique in design. From top to the bottom, looks nice, very small and compact. So this is how it looks like. Wow, this looks beautiful. Comparing it in size to Oraimo FreePods 3, you can see it's not that big, it's smaller. And comparing it to the Oraimo FreePods Pro, it's just a little bit shorter in terms of size. I hope you can see all this. So this guy promises a lot of features, and I can't wait to just share it out with you. So you can get it for 9,900 naira on Oraimo eShop website, as you can see here, for 9,900 naira. I was able to get it for 9,405 naira. That is discount of 495 naira using the coupon code here. So I'll put it right on the screen right now or down in the description box, just for you to use it and you have your discount code. This will help the channel to move forward. Please use the discount code, and let's continue with the video. Just have to peel off this and make sure you charge up before the first time use. Okay, you have to peel off this and charge them up before the first time use, which is always advisable. Okay, it has this blue indicator. As you can see, we have a blue indicator here, and we have blue indicator on the earbuds themselves. Okay, to charge this guy up, and I'll come back and tell you my first impression about them. So I'm listening to 23 by Burna Boy, and the bass is there. The bass is there, guys. This thing sounds nice. I can just tell you this is good. I like the bass, but I won't just want to conclude on that yet. I will just have to take some time. It is loud, it is more of bass, and I think I'll have to just use a day or two with these guys so I can know if truly they are going to, you know, satisfy me. If they are not, I'm going to tell you in my review video. So if you have not subscribed, just go down there, hit that red subscribe button and notification bell so that I can get notified once I drop the review video of the Oraimo Rock. And I'll see you then. These guys are amazing. Peace.